Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use and get DeepSeek R1. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepSeek website right here at deepseek.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can get started. So guys, first things first, to be able to use DeepSeek R1, we are going to need an account. So if you do not already have an account, just click the Start Now button right here. That's going to open up the register page where you can register with your email. And after logging in, guys, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in normally and clicking Start Now right here. This is going to open up this chat with DeepSeek right here where we can get started with using it. And basically, guys, you can see right here on the main page, it says that DeepSeek R1 is now live and open source and we can get started with using it. So if you want to use DeepSeek R1, you can either go ahead and click DeepSeek R1 right here. As you can see, this is going to enable us to solve reasoning problems by enabling it. So you want to click on it, and once you click on it, guys, you want to ask it any question you have, something for your schoolwork. It doesn't matter, guys, for your work, you can ask it whatever you want. So by enabling DeepSeek R1 right here, it's going to enable you to solve reasoning problems by your choice, and that's how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.